Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Vizio soundbar to your Google TV. So the first step is I'll grab Google TV remote and click settings. Go to settings and then go to display and sound, go to audio and go to audio output. Here I have selected optical because I have connected my Vizio bar with an optical, but you can choose any output you want. All right, after selecting optical or any other output, you can now move on to your soundbar remote. So let me grab it. All right, now we have our soundbar remote. In your soundbar there is something called input. Just click the input until you get your desired output. All right,
HDMI, Bluetooth,
not Bluetooth, so I'll keep clicking it.
USB, aux VA, optical.
All right, so we're gonna stop here since we got optical. Now these two things should be set. I'll grab my remote again and check if it's connected.
Ford F-Series trucks to haul or tow just about anything, anywhere.
All right, it looks connected. Thank you guys.